In today's video, I will be reviewing this wireless phone charging slash your watch charger. Apparently you can charge your phone and watch on here, so that's pretty cool. So I'm just gonna go review it. Okay, so here it is right here. I'm just gonna go to open it up. Okay, so right here, the first thing you get is your manual on it. Oh, you can also charge your Apple, iPhone, Apple Watch, AirPods, and MagSafe stuff. So, in here you got your, okay, so type C to type C cable. So here it is right here. You get your little stand right here. So here it is, so you can charge it if you're watching like a movie. You can have it like that, or you can have it like this, or you can also have it like that. That doesn't really work that well, but you can close it, and I think you could, wrong side. Oh, okay, there it is. Okay, so there's where you go your Apple Watch. So I'm just gonna take off my Apple Watch real quick. Okay, so here I have my Apple Watch. Okay, there, so I'm just gonna open this up. Okay, so as you guys can see, it's charging. For some reason, it thinks my Apple Watch thinks it's landscape. So I'm going to grab my other iPhone and I'm gonna go put it on there. Okay, so as you guys can see, I have my other iPhone. I'm just gonna put it on there. And so as you guys can see, it is charging both the iPhone and the Apple Watch at the same time. So in case you need to go somewhere or you're traveling and you don't want to bring your Apple Watch thing, you could just bring this with you, and then it just opens up like that, so it's not that much. And that's pretty much what it is. As you guys can see, you can just charge it like this. And your Type-C port is right here, and you could charge it. I'm pretty sure you can also use this as like a power bank to charge your device. I'm not 100% sure about that. I'm gonna have to look that up to see if that's true or not. But that's pretty much what it is. So in case you're traveling or you're doing something, you just open it up like that, and then you charge both your Apple Watch and your thing. I think that's pretty cool. And also your AirPods too. That's pretty cool too. So I do love this color, and I hope you guys like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video, and I will definitely start to be using this. Bye.